All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. All right, so we have this boy band group of GOT7. All right, the South Korean band that created this band in 2014, I believe. They got a huge contract then and broke up, and now they're back again. All right, so they're back again as a group, and they create this song called Python. All right, so we're gonna look at that song, and we have four chords or rolls in the same order through the entire song. We're gonna have them easy to play with a capo on fifth. So that's a great setup. Put the capo on the fifth fret, and let's go over the chords needed. We're gonna start with D minor, and the D minor goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next is A minor, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We move on to E minor, all the minors here. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and then finally we have the F chord. That's a bar chord. You place your index finger on the first fret and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And that's the order. It's D minor, A minor, E minor, and F. Okay, so we're gonna look into the strumming. Very, very easy, guys. So if we go to the first chord, D minor, one goes like this. Okay, so you have down, down, clap, down. That is one round. So down, down, clap, down. And I showed you two variations of this in the intro of this tutorial. So one is to play one string around per chord like this: D minor, A minor, E minor, and F. Okay, and you can just keep on doing that through the entire song, or you can do every second time you stop at the clap. Okay, so you play down, down, clap, down for D minor. And then on the A minor, you play down, down, clap with a pause. So just take away the last down on this A minor and have a pause there instead. So like this, D minor, A minor, and then you move on with the same there, E minor, one full round, and F, you stop at the clap. So alright, so that is how you do it. You can go either way or just make it simple. Same strumming through the entire song. And that's how you handle Python from GOT7. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.